Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you where to find Costco's promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to any web browser on your phone or PC or laptop. Head over to Google and type in coupon follow. And then you want to click on the first result that appears from couponfollow.com. And then it will bring you to this page. And then from here, you'll see a little search bar. Click into that and type in Costco. And then click into Costco. And then as you can see, all these Costco coupon codes are below. Save $20 Costco shop card, get $40 shop card, and all that stuff. So if you scroll down, click on any one of them. So for this example, I want to get a $20 Costco shop card. And then all I need to do is copy this code and add that over to Costco when I check out to complete the purchase. Just be aware of when these offers end as well, because they have expiry dates. So if one doesn't work, just go ahead and click on a different coupon code from that site. And yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.